we have got 3 fair coins. 3 fair coins, what do you mean by fair coins? Yes, fair coin means the coins are not defective. They are good coins. So 3 fair coins, when we toss one by one, what will be the sample space? Sample space is that you have learned in plus 1, that is S is equal to, this is here, first is that head, head, head. Okay, then head, head, tail. Then third is that is head, tail, head. Now, fourth is that tail, head, head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Achha. Next comes fourth. Then comes 2 tails. That is 2 tails, head. That is tail, head, tail. That is tail, head, tail. That is then again head, tail, tail. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more we are left. That means all tail. Egg, tail, tail. All tail. That is 8 sample event, 8 events we can we have. This is called sample space. Now, if E is the event, at least two heads. Therefore, it will be what? E is the event. E is equal to 2 events with 3 can. I have not nullified 3. So this is head, head, and head. This is 3. Then 1 H H T. Then at 2 heads here. That is comma head, tail, head. And the other one is this. That is equal to. That is tail, head, head. Now, F is the event. F is the event. F is the event that is equal to at least now the first is tail. First is tail. Tail. So how many are there? That is equal to. Therefore, F is equal to. That is first is tail. First is tail means here. F is the first is tail is not coming here. Tail, head, head. Tail, head, head. Then tail, tail, head. Then tail, tail, head. Then tail, head, tail. And first is here. That is tail, tail, tail. It is okay. Now, therefore, P of F is equal to 1 8 because sample space has got 8 events. Okay, and P of E is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now, what is conditional probability? Conditional probability, this all you have learned in class plus one. Conditional probability means if that this event has occurred, suppose we are playing with a dice, so there are 6 events. When I throw a die with what will be the even number probability of even number, that is 3, that is 3 by 6, yes, that is 1 by 2. And when the even number, out of even number, then if it is multiple of 3, how many are there? This is 6. Multiple of 3 means only 6 is there. 6 is there. Okay, even means in this, if it happens, then suppose, what is this? This is, I am writing P E occurring F. E occurring F. What do you mean by E occurring F? That means F has already occurred. That means this has already occurred. Or F have already, and in that, what is the probability? Then we have to, before that, we have to find out P of E intersection F. That is E intersection F. Only one is there, E intersection F, that is THH. That is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 4. E intersection F is 1 by 4. Okay. Then P it is E. What do you mean by conditional probability? That if F occurs, then what is the chance of occurring E? F occurs, F is that, this is the F and this is the E. How many are there? There are only THs there. THs, that is equal to P of E intersection F divided by total P of E F. P of F. This I can write P of E intersection F is what? 1, and probability of F is 4. Yes, it is. Have you followed? Now we have done the mutually exclusive. What is mutually exclusive? First I'll write mutually exclusive event. Suppose when I throw a die, the all events, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are all mutually exclusive. They are all mutually exclusive events. That is, if 1 comes, no other term will come. If 2 comes, no other term will come. So on. Mutually exclusive event. Then null event means it doesn't occur. How many terms, how many zeros are there when you play with a die? How many zero are there? That is, you play with a die. Okay, now I will tell you how to do it. This sum. I'll give you the sum and I'll do it. Then we can write P of E when F has occurred. If E occurred when F is there, that means number of events favorable to E intersection F and number of events in F, that is to this equal to N E intersection F in F is equal to N into F. Therefore, P intersection F, conditional probability of E when F has been occurred, probability, that is equal to N of E intersection F divided by number of, how many were there? That is number of the sample space, how many is there? I am dividing this number of F divided by number of sample space, number of the sample space is. Okay? So we have done our conditional probability. Now I give you some. Now that is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then I give you a sum. I toss coins, or a coin is tossed 3 times. The question question 1, a coin is tossed thrice. Coin is tossed thrice. Thrice, you know the sample space. Okay, thrice. And when E is the head on third toss. Now, then E is the head on the third toss. And F is the head on the first 2 tosses, and F is the toss. F is the 2 tosses. F is the first 2 tosses. First 2 tosses. Achha. Tosses. Then you have to find out what? Then you have to find out that tosses. When then E conditional E with F. So here, that is sample space. I'll write S is equal to H H T and H T H T H H, then T T A T T H and T T H T H T and T H T and H T T. HTT. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next comes all tails. These are the 8 sample space. 8 sample space. Okay. That is, E is the event. E is the event that is head on third toss. That is head on third toss 1. That is H H H. Third toss H is there. And here HTTH and THH and TTH. E is the event, third toss, TTH, then third toss, no more HHH, no more. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That is, and F is that, F is what? The two, F is that two tosses, first two tosses are head. The first two tosses are head is HHH, HHH, HHT, HHT. Any more? No, we don't. We don't have. So this is E and F. So A, that is P, probability of E when F has already occurred. Probability of E, probability of F when E has already occurred. It has already occurred. Which is the common one? This one and this one. So, not this. Not this. So, it is equal to 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4. Okay. This is the beginning of conditional probability. I'll explain it very nicely in next class. Okay. Please subscribe. In the matter which I'm teaching, then I'll get more energy to teach you in a better way. So please subscribe. Okay.